In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Udemy using an amazing Chrome extension. This handy tool will not only make your browsing experience more comfortable, but also allow you to personalize the theme to suit your preferences. So, let's dive right in and get started. First off, let's talk about why you might want to enable dark mode. For many of us who spend significant hours in front of a screen, switching to a dark-themed interface can reduce eye strain. This is particularly helpful when you are studying or working late into the night. Plus, it can give your whole browsing experience a sleek, modern, and visually appealing look. Now, the tool we're going to use is known as the Udemy Dark Theme Extension, specifically designed for the Chrome browser. This extension applies a dark theme across all pages on the Udemy website and provides an option to configure custom colors. It's perfect if you want to create your own personalized dark theme experience. To get started, you'll first need to download and install this extension. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for Udemy Dark Theme Extension. Once you find it, simply click on Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. It's a quick and easy process. Within moments, you'll have the extension installed and ready to go. Once the installation is complete, navigate over to udemy.com. You'll notice that the dark theme is automatically applied to the site. That's all there is to it. This seamless integration means there's no additional setup required, and no toggling back and forth. It just works straight out of the box. One of the coolest features of this extension is the ability to customize colors. If you're someone who enjoys a personalized touch, you can tweak the settings to adjust hues and contrasts according to your preferences. This allows you to create a theme that's not only dark, but also uniquely yours. You can experiment with different color combinations to find what feels comfortable for your eyes and appealing to your style. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to enable dark mode on Udemy, ensuring a more eye-friendly and personalized browsing environment. Whether you're learning something new, advancing your career skills, or simply browsing through courses, this dark theme extension will surely enhance your overall experience. Hopefully, these instructions were clear and easy to follow. Enjoy the benefits of a dark-themed Udemy and happy learning. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tools just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.